Good morning, you guys. Hubby's here. Say hello.
Hello, everybody.
He's just now waking up, so
Mm-hmm.
he's a little tired still. So, this is another requested video. This is a cleaning video, except talking, if that makes any sense. I really hope that does. Anyway, how do we split the cleaning in the house? What we call a house, at least.
Well, usually I handle the kitchen and you pretty much handle everything else.
We sometimes share the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
If, let's say I'm not wearing like press-on nails or Gel X nails, I'll do the dishes for him. But I don't want my nails to pop off, so he mostly does it. Sometimes it's a little difficult to get you to do it, but...
Well, yeah, because my energy levels just suck. I went from having all this energy to having almost none.
I'm rubbing his face.
Mm-hmm. And it doesn't matter how much coffee I have.
Or energy drink or anything like that. Although your doctor told you to stop drinking the energy drinks.
Yep. Yeah, she doesn't want me on any stimulants, and I'm like, that's not gonna happen.
Oh, but it will. You do realize that, right? How much? You haven't had nothing yet.
No, I haven't. I'm ready for bed.
You just woke up.
Exactly.
Anyway, like he said,
And therein is the problem.
like he said, he deals with the kitchen, and I deal with almost everything else.
Now, keep in mind the house is only 29 feet.
Yeah, the house is only 29 feet. So, for the bedroom, make the bed, hang the clothes. What else do we do? Oh, put the towels away. Put the blankets back on the bed, because usually they end up somewhere on the side of the bed. I did say make the bed already, right?
Yep, you did.
Okay.
I have to push the bed in because it tends to block off the...
Yes. Push the bed back up against the wall. For the bathroom, wash the mirrors, because squishes. We call flies that we killed squish.
We had a lot of them this year.
Yeah.
I
You chill out.
just a minute.
I know. Chill out, baby. Lay down. Lay down.
Rest for a little bit.
Lay down. There you go. Where was I? Bathroom.
Mirrors. Squishy.
Wash the mirrors. Get rid of the squishes. Scrub the shower. Scrub the floor. I have to vacuum the floor in the bedroom as well. And the like little stair things that are in there.
Mm-hmm.
Wash the mirrors in the bedroom. We gotta get the door in the bedroom fixed. You guys can see the cupboards in the very back there. One of the doors, the like hinge fell apart, so it actually leans out instead of like straight like it should.
Mm-hmm.
So we gotta get that fixed. Scrub the shower, scrub the floors, mirrors, scrub the toilet, take out the trash. We live in an RV and we use regular toilet paper, so we have to throw away the toilet paper instead of
Flushing it.
flushing it. So That's why we take out the trash, obviously. Medicine area that needs to be organized, like bad. Kitchen, what do you do? What do you do to scrub down the kitchen?
Well, I have to organize the dishes. Sorry. I have to organize the dishes so that, and do the dishes, and then I can scrub everything else down. And the stovetop, I usually have to take that spray cleaner from Dawn.
My Dawn power wash.
Yeah. Spray it down, scrub it down, get all the debris off as best I can, and then rinse it off in the shower. Scrub down the cabinets.
Get rid of the
foods away.
squishes.
Yeah, get rid of the squishes. Put foods away.
You're in charge of kitchen stuff.
Yep.
What do we have to do under the sink? Or what do I do?
We have a leak in the sink, so you have to empty the
Bread pan?
the bread pan we have in there to keep it.
Dry.
I found out why it's leaking too.
Why?
This one side's popped up again in the sink, so it's not sealed.
That's not good.
Nope.
For this area, we do the best that we can to keep it clean, but almost every morning I clean off my desk because I get too tired to do that at night. When I get tired fast. Is that
Yeah.
a true statement or not?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I get tired really fast.
We call it the wall of what the fuck.
Yes, we do. We walk into that wall of, I'm trying to keep my channel at least PG, not R-rated. Anyway, we walk into that wall of fill in the blank, and I don't usually have the energy to be able to clean off my desk. A lot of times I will go lay down when I have like a really bad headache or my back is hurting, my hips are hurting. When my hips start hurting, I will go lay down early. If I know that I'm going to do that, I will clean off my desk then, but that doesn't usually end up happening that way. For this corner over here, this corner is like a catch-all for everything. That's normally people's dinner tables and stuff like that is a catch-all for wherever they live. Right now, this corner is a catch-all for us.
Yep.
Oh, cards. Glasses. Okay. Wipe down glass and mirrors. Wipe down kitchen cabinets. Wipe down... Oh, do you do the kitchen counters or do I?
I
both.
try to.
We both do. Yeah. Wipe down kitchen counters. Put items away. That's pretty much on a daily basis for us. Do the dishes. Load/unload the dishwasher. Do we dust?
Not usually.
Not really. Wash sheets and towels. We can wash our sheet, but it has dog ick on it right now. So we're going to take it to the laundromat to do that. Wash towels. My mom usually does that for us. Wipe appliances. We don't usually do that. Wipe kitchen counter.
Appliances to wipe down usually.
Well, yeah, we do. Like a microwave.
Oh.
Microwave, stovetop, oven door, stuff like that. wipe kitchen counters again. Put items away, do the dishes, load unload dishwasher. A house tidy, empty trash and recycling and compost bins. We have trash, obviously, but we live on the very, like, front of the RV park, and the trash is at the very back of the RV park. So it's not very fun to take out the trash. So a lot of the time I'll ask my mom if and when I know she's coming down, I'll be like, hey, can we do a trash run? Because it makes it a lot easier on my joints. House tidy, I do pretty much every day. Sweep / mop, again, we just do that when needed. We don't do stuff like that on a daily basis. Wipe out the fridge. Our fridge has beans in it right now.
I usually try to do that when our fridge is empty.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, didn't know that.
Mm-hmm.
Sweep / mop when needed. Kitchen counter, we already went through all that. Wash all the clothes. Again, my mom does that for us. Wipe the kitchen counters. Vacuum. I can't vacuum because of the power problem. Deep clean in the bathroom. Sweep and organize porch. House tidy. And then wipe, disinfect doorknobs, handles, etc. Dust the baseboards. Thorough kitchen clean, oven, fridge, drains. Dust blinds. Wipe and disinfect trash, recycling, and compost bins. And that is all of my cleaning cards. What do we do outside? Dog poop.
Yep, break up the dog poop.
I try to make it a weekly thing. It doesn't always work that way. Yeah. So, if you guys want us to show you what we do, leave a comment, let me know. Like I said, this was a requested video from my mom. So, Mom, I hope this was helpful. I love you, and I hope you guys are having a good day. Bye, guys.
See y'all later.